Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix routine game crashing, not launching, not loading, lagging, black screen or other issues on Xbox. So the very first method is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. First open settings on your Xbox, then choose system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and click it to begin the updating process. Next method is to check for routine update. So apart from console, you are also suggested to check if the game is updated or not. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is an update available, and after updating your game to the latest version, now try to play it. Next is to clear Xbox cache. So deleting the cache of your Xbox can help you tackle the issue, as it can occur due to temporary glitches. For that, open settings, then click on system, then click on storage. Then highlight storage device and press Y button on controller for device options. Under it, choose clear system cache and at last confirm it by pressing yes. Next solution is to check storage space. For that, press Xbox button, then go to profile and system, then click on settings, then click on system and then click on storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or games to create space. Next is to clear persistent storage. This will help you to clear the cached data. For that, open settings, then choose device and connections, then click on Blu-ray, then select persistent storage and then select clear persistent storage. After that, check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on settings under profile and system. Next, go to account, then click on remove accounts. Here choose the account to remove and then select remove option. After that, add the account again and then check if it is resolved or not. If not, then the next method is to reinstall routine. For that, press Xbox button controller, then move to my games and apps and select CL option. Here select routine game, then press menu button and then select uninstall. Now after the game is removed, open routine official website and download the game and then check whether the problem is fixed or not. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So lastly, when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can also raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide you what to do, or else they will try to resolve it from their end. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.